Hello and welcome to day number 79, and I am back in Cyprus now in Limassol, and had an absolute amazing flight with one of the best Lufthansa crews ever. So I really enjoyed it, and as I said again, now being back in Cyprus after I cancelled the rest of the tour, and I will offer you of course some online webinar where you can get exactly the same content than in the live speech. And the nice thing is that I already started to teach people about on the tour how to make money after the crash, and that exactly fits into what the markets are doing today, because we kind of went down 2 days ago, then we went up, then we went down. So first we came down, of course, went up, went down again. Now we're kind of trying to find another bottom in several things. So now if that bottom will hold tomorrow, we could actually start to think about whether we want to start with a very first entry. So in case you're short at the moment, you might think about using our rules in order to make sure that you get the most out of your trade. And if you want to go long, please wait for some great signals, but be alert. And as from tomorrow on, I will have more time now, less traveling. I will have actually be able to have a look more into the markets, trade more, talk to you more about it. So I'm pretty sure we will find some great opportunities to trade further. As for our portfolio, currently there's nothing open, so there's not really anything happening. So there's no news, so we just can talk about the market. As I said, we're now trying to find another bottom, and we have lots of Federal Reserve help and ECB things going on. Bank of England, Bank of Canada, they're all, Bank of Japan, they're all lowering the interest rates where they can, or otherwise flooding the market with a lot of money in order to prevent a recession. I don't think they can prevent that. Recession will be there, especially in Europe. We are already in one. For the US, we will see if they are able to prevent it, but I don't think so. But that's not necessarily a really bad thing. The question is, how solid will the upturn be again? So for us, in terms of the stock markets, we're always looking into the future. So right now we came down quite hard. As I told you last week, we already can get ready to identify some great opportunities to buy at a bargain, like minus 40% or so, sometimes even minus 50% for the next, let's say, years and decades, if you want to be on the long term investing side. And otherwise, we will very soon have a bunch of opportunities to make a lot of money when markets go up again. However, we still need to be cautious, because with every bad news and everything that can happen, we might drop down again. So stay tuned. We will talk a lot more about it, especially now as I am having more time, and I can update you more in these videos. Thank you very much for watching. Looking forward to talk to you again tomorrow, hopefully then with some new trades and some results. And yeah, stay healthy, stay happy, and see you again tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.